Next thing we want to do is solve a natural log problem. Well, again, e and natural log are inverses, so all I need to do is go, well, if I've got the natural log isolated, natural log is isolated, e raised to the natural log, e to the third. So if I plug in e to the third into my calculator, I'm going to end up getting 20.085, so 0.09, and that equals, those cancel, so I get x plus 4. So how do I solve for x? Well, all I'm going to need to do is subtract 4, and I end up getting 16.09. That's it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Again, name of the game, e and natural log cancel each other out. All right, get ready for some crazy stuff here. Mr. Dickens in the hizzy. Right, Mr. Dickens? He's just looking at me. Won't say anything. Okay. So we're going to raise both sides to the e. Woo! So we're going to get e to the natural log and e to the fourth. Well, that's going to cancel. We're left with 3x plus 5 squizzy squared. And then with e to the fourth, plug that in your calc. Get 54 point, and it's 598. So I know rounding is difficult, but that 9 is going to be rounded up by the 8. You're going to get 0.60. So we'll do that, 54.60. Okay. Well, how do I get rid of that squared? Well, I can square root this bad boy. So if I square root it, I'm going to get 3x plus 5. And remember, when we square root both sides, you're going to have a plus or minus. So it's plus or minus 7.389, so 0.39. I'm going to split this up into two different equations here. Alrighty. So now on the left-hand side, I'm going to subtract 5 and divide by 3. So we get 3x equals 2.39. Divide by 3 and I get x equals 0.796, so 0.80 is essentially what we get. Sweet. Super cool. And then the next one, I'm going to subtract 5. Alright, it's over here. We're going to have 3x equals, and when I subtract 5, I get negative 12.39. Divide by 3, and I get x equals negative 4.13. So those are my two answers. Now you may be like, whoa, dog, I got a negative x. I can't have that. Well, let's think about that. If I were to plug that back in, if I were to take this negative 4.13 and plug it in here, even if what's in the parentheses is negative, when I square it, it becomes positive. So I'm taking the log of a positive number. That's cool. So no matter what I plug into here, I'm going to be taking the log of a positive, so I don't have to worry so much about like an extraneous solution like I would if this squared wasn't here. All right, so both of those work in this particular case because it's getting squared and I'm taking the log of a positive. Awesome, that was cool.